The 28 and 32 centimeter rockets could be fired from their packing cases, which had short hinged legs to adjust elevation. They could also be mounted in groups of 4 on wooden Schweres Wurfgerät 40 heavy missile device or tubular metal Schweres Wurfgerät 41 launch frames. The external dimensions of the packing cases were identical, so no adapter was needed for the smaller rockets. The packing cases could also be mounted on Schweres Wurfrahmen 40, frames attached to the sides of SDK FZ-251, half-track armored personnel carrier or various captured French tracked vehicles. Schweres Wurfgerät 40 was nicknamed the Stuka zu Fuß, the 28, 32 centimeter Nebelwerfer 41. Nebelwerfer 41 was organized into batteries of 6 launchers with 3 batteries per battalion. These battalions were concentrated in independent Werfer Regimenter and Brigaden. The rockets in their packing cases could be used by units ranging from mechanized infantry, Panzer Grenadier, to engineers, to positional rocket regiments. The first units were organized after the Battle of France in 1940, and they saw service on the Eastern Front, Italian campaign, and the defense of France and Germany from 1940 to 1945.